Hi, this is Jason with SmartEd, distributor for Promethean interactive panels in Japan. Let's look at some of the differences between the interactive panel and a projector. If you're using a projector in your classrooms, I really suggest that you consider the interactive panels because there's a huge difference between the two. So let's look at a few of those differences. The first difference is the ease of use and the responsiveness. With the interactive panels, since there's no projector and you're touching directly onto the screen, the response is very fast. The experience is very natural, whether you're writing or you're navigating through apps. The response time is much better than using a projector. The next big difference is going to be the resolution. The interactive panels are a 4K LCD screen. So compared to most projectors, the resolution is going to be much higher on these boards than it is on a projector. The next big difference is going to be the brightness. With most projectors, you're going to be closing the curtains, you're probably turning off the lights. But with this, you don't need to turn off the lights, you don't need to close the curtains. In fact, in this room, we have natural sunlight coming in, and you can still see that the board is actually not even turned up to full brightness. So the brightness is going to be a big difference between the projectors and using the interactive panel. The next big difference is going to be shadow. When you're working with a projector, if you have a long throw projector, you're going to have a big shadow on the wall here like this. Even with a short throw projector, you're going to have a small shadow where your hand is writing. But with these panels, obviously you're not going to get any shadow at all. The next big difference is that these panels have Android built into them, so you don't even have to plug in a computer. If you look here, you'll see that we have a locker with all our apps that are already installed in it. So all we have to do is open up an app and we can use it without a computer. Obviously, the other difference is going to be bulbs and changing bulbs with a projector. With a projector, you're going to have to change the bulb every certain number of hours, but with this, obviously, there is no bulb to change. The other difference is calibration. With a projector, you're always going to have to calibrate it if there's any movement with the projector. But with this, since you're writing directly onto the board, there is no calibration involved. Another big difference is angles, so viewing angle. With this board, you get a very wide viewing angle compared to a projector. And the last difference is going to be installation. These boards are extremely easy to install compared to a projector. If you're installing a projector, you got to think about the angle and the distance and you have to get everything exactly right. But with this, you basically put the wall mount on the wall, hang it on the wall mount, plug it in, and you're ready to go.